Hello guys, so today we're going to play Tower. Right? What the heck happened? Okay. Please like and subscribe so I can notification down from our videos. But I am a bit lagging because I can't even control. So otherwise I can't even do it. So I need to beat that game. Oh, you teams! And I running out of time. Gotta go. Come on guys, let's go troll. Come on NPC. You're an NPC. Oh my god. Stop lagging. I look like a bro. Okay, if I just wanted to turn off the internet, but I do not. That. Oh, it's the baby girl. Something like that. Okay, let's go beat that game, guys. Let's go. Everybody, let's go. Don't troll. Baby girl. Okay, let's slowly. Oh, you saw me. Don't ever do it. Don't. Wait, it's not working. Why not fair? Are you cheating? What are you doing? Okay, let's troll. Okay, come on. Just let me troll. Come on. Go. Yay! Yay! What the heck, guys? Let's go beat that game. Let's go beat that game, guys. I think I switched you guys. Oh, wait, how? Why is it the internet is now broken? Oh, 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 yes, let's go guys, let's go with the game. Oh no, don't show me the controller. I'm going to troll you. No. Ah, okay. Ah, hello. I think I failed, so I'm going to end. But goodbye guys.